Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today we have a PR unbagging. I already unbagged it. Sorry. The bags that they send, these budget friendly companies send the diamond paintings in. There's no company name on the bags or anything, so I never know where stuff is coming from. I order so much. So this is a PR haul, unbagging, whatever you want to call it, from NewCraftDay. They reached out to me, they emailed me and asked me if I'd like to collaborate with them, if they can send me some stuff to review on my channel. So of course I agreed. I love to try out some new stuff. So I got 3 diamond paintings from them, and I'm really excited about these because these are in some of the wish list that stuff that I have been looking for, you know, that I tell you guys to keep an eye out. Ships, lighthouses, and trains. So just to let you guys know, I did find my dream trains, diamond paintings with trains. I found them with the help of a friend here on YouTube, and I found a lighthouse, and now I have my ships. So I can't wait to show you guys the ships that I picked out. They're very feminine, which is what I look for in diamond paintings. Well, most of my diamond paintings, I like them to be, if there's something like a ship or a lighthouse or a train, I'd like it to have a feminine touch if it's even remotely possible, and it is. So this is a 30 by 40, 22 colors. Let's raise you up a little bit. And it's a ship with roses on it, all going up the back of the ship. Hopefully you guys can see. And in the water, I love flowers. I used to be a florist before I was a cake decorator, and I always have a special place in my heart for making arrangements and working with flowers. So I just found these to be absolutely perfect. I'm looking for a ship and it has flowers in it. I love it. Pre-bag drills, which I absolutely love. So if you work out of baggies, these are already kitted up for you. We have pinks, cream colors, blues, some reds, some sapphire blue in there, this is Bordeaux, some dark purple, purplish red colors, some mauves, some whites. Now this is not labeled, but I have my handy dandy marker here with me, and the only thing that the canvas is labeled with is a number 9. Okay, rose ship. And you know what, this would be a perfect chance once I end this video to try to use my label maker that I go off of Temu and make a label for this. Okay, so I got 2 ships. There are 5 ships in this collection on NewCraftDay's website. If I can find the opening, that would be great. Let's flip this around so we don't get distracted. Oh, and in case you are wondering, NewCraftDay provides a boat, plate of wax, and a pink pen. So typical toolkit. Let's look at the other ship. I'm really excited about this. These are very creased though. They're gonna need to spend some time in the portfolio to flatten out. Hopefully I don't own an iron, so hopefully they will flatten out. Another 30 by 40, 23 colors also. And we have some beige sails and white roses. Can we see? And there's some blue, sapphire blue flowers. And this is like a blue wooden ship. I love this. This is absolutely stunning. Absolutely love this. color blocking here in the back. All these different colors are all color blocked. I am going to love that. Down here is also color blocking, this white. Here's our drills. Lots of blues and beiges and creams. We do have some black in here, but lots and lots of blues. This is like a monochromatic type of ship. This is number 13, and this is Blue Boat. Same type of toolkit. Let's flip this around. See, a little creasy, a little bit. Oh, and those were, I believe, $5.07. Not too bad. Pretty affordable and budget friendly. This one's going to be super, super cute. I can't wait. So for $4.84, I got a little alien monster. They're so adorable. They had so many in the collection. I couldn't choose. It was really hard to choose. Look at him. Hopefully, guys, you can make it out. The thumbnail's not that clear. 20 colors. This is a 30 by 30. And he's like on a little lily pad in the water, and he's like rowing himself down the water. I love this. Color blocking in the back. A little bit of confetti on the sides. A little bit of confetti and color blocking on the monster or alien, whatever you want to call it. Drill field is super, super clear. No smudging, no blurring. Everything looks nice and clear. There are some really dark spots, but that's nothing that you wouldn't be able to see if you were using a light pad. If you use a light pad, you would be able to see this stuff no problem. Pre-bag drills, so it's already kitted up for you if you work out of baggies. We have some gray blues, grays, cream colors. We even have a little bit of purple in here. I love it. And some greens. And this is not labeled. Oh, is it? Hold on. K118 right here. It is labeled here on the top. Alien monster. Okay. And toolkit is the same. So we have our little alien monster, and there is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13 little alien monsters, different ones in the collection. Some of them are sold out, some of them are still available. We have our blue sapphire ship with roses. And we have our other blue ship with red roses. I love it, you guys. So pretty. So guys, I hope you enjoyed seeing what I got from NewCraftDay. Links will be in the description box down below if you are interested in any of these pieces. And check out NewCraftDay. They have some really budget-friendly diamond paintings. I love them. They're really great, and they shipped pretty quick. Didn't take that long to get to my house. It was here before you knew it. You know, what else can I say? They're just a very budget-friendly company. They're affordable, like a lot of the affordable companies out there. And they look good quality. They don't look, none of the drill fields were smudgy or blurry. They are very, very clear, very readable. So I hope you enjoyed today's video with our PR haul, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day or night wherever you are, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye guys.